wo Bisi ológe show pẹ̀lú Ọlábísí Ẹdúnjọbí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín ẹ má yí kúrò ńbẹ̀ ẹ ṣé.
Thank you very much. I wanted to just remind everybody how this journey started. In October 2020, we had the privilege of meeting a man that I call my daddy in Ijebu-Ode, and I think within the first 5 minutes of telling him about this idea that we have, all we have had from him is unwavering support. I want everybody in this room to give him a rousing applause. It is not easy. He has trusted us, and we just hope we continue to make him proud. So there's about 2,000 people in this room right now. I want us to spell the word 50 as a mark of sort of pushing our dad forth for another 50 if he chooses to perform for another 50. I know it sounds a little bit greedy, but we want to have him for as long as we can on stage. And ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to spell the word 50. So please join me. We'll start with an F. That's not loud enough. We're going to start again until you hear very loud. We're going to start with the word F. I. F. T. Y.
Listen, before you present me anything, before you present anything to me, I have one or two words to say. And I'll pass my word to every Fuji practitioner, everybody that's ever done Agiwele Ajisari, to carefully listen to me. This gentleman standing here, what they stand for and the organization, they both direct, deserve a big chance. Why? Thank you. Why? Because for everything that we do, there's God and there are people. Yoruba has a lot of words to describe anything that come about their life or happen to them. One of it says, Ofiti ele boti eni eleni, Ọlọ́run ló ń gbọ́ tiẹ̀. So amazing and surprising at the same time to find this fine young men, oh yes, going for indigenous music. Reggae is indigenous, and it is very, very paramount and important to the people that initiated the style of reggae. Afrobeat, Fela Anikulapo takes the credit and honor for propagating that glory of music to the whole world, the wider world. Today, everybody bless Fela Anikulapo. May his soul rest in peace. Our forefather that does Fuji music, Agiwele Ajisari, and the present day Fuji. Sikiru Ayinde Barrister today is gone, but I believe his spirit lives with us and stands with us here. At every moment and opportunity you have, the spirit of Sikiru Ayinde Barrister and the rest of forefathers, Connington and everybody, that with you. Either me giving you support or not. The first thing remains you have a blessing of the people that does Fuji. So I thank you immensely, I thank you so very much. And I will assure you total support of every Fuji practitioner. Those present now, those coming in the future. Keep doing what you're doing. God is there for you. Thank you.
On behalf of the organization, we want to give you this award, sir, to keep going. As my partner has said, we are wishing for 50 more years on stage, and may Fuji live long and forever. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.